Welcome to another episode of Science Made Simple. I'm Devina and I'm a science specialist here at the Pique Lab. In this video, I'll be analyzing a past year examination question on the topic of pressure. I've also prepared this question for you to download for free by clicking the link in the description box below. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the question over here and try to understand what is going on. It says over here that we have a brick of weight 90 newtons and it is placed on the ground. And the question wants us to find out what is the pressure that it exerts on the ground. Now, in order to do this question, we first need to understand what is pressure. Do you recall what pressure is? We say that pressure is the amount of force that is exerted on a unit area. Now, with this understanding, do you recall the formula of pressure? The formula of pressure is just force over area. Or we can say force divided by area. And based on this, did it tell us the force over here? If you read the question carefully, it says that a brick of weight 90 newtons. What is this weight? We know that this weight is simply the gravitational force. And do you know what the gravitational force is? It's simply the force that is acting on an object due to gravity. And what is the direction of this force? We know that this force acts downwards. So if you take a look at the brick over here, let's label the force that is acting on it. The force is the weight that is acting downwards. And what is the value of this force? It is given that it is 90 newtons. So now we know the force. Can we find the pressure? No, not yet. That is because we still don't know the area. So what is the area? Let's take a look. Over here, they gave us 3 different values. 20 cm, 6 cm, and 5 cm. Can I simply multiply all these 3 values? If I multiply all these 3 values, what would I get? I will get the volume. And when we want to find pressure, do we need the volume? No, we don't need the volume. What do we need over here? We need the area. And in this case, the area is simply a side. If you take a look at the brick, how many different sides are there? If you count correctly, you'll see that there are 6 sides. Do we need all 6 sides? No, we only need one of the sides. So which side is the side that we need over here? If you read the question, it says what is the pressure that is exerted on the ground. So this means that the side that we need is the side that is touching the ground. And that is the side that is at the base. Now, how do we find the area of this side? If you take a look over here, what shape do you see? It is a rectangle. And do you recall how to find the area of a rectangle? The area of a rectangle is simply length times breadth. And what is the length and breadth over here? It is 20 cm multiplied by 6 cm. So let's carry out the calculations. We have 20 cm multiplied by 6 cm. What is the answer that you will get? It is 120 cm square. So now that we know the force and we know the area, can we calculate the pressure? Yes, we can. So the force is 90 newtons divided by the area, which is 120 cm square. And what is the answer that we will get? So if you quickly key into your calculator or you do a bit of quick math, you'll see that the answer over here is 0.75. And what are the units? It's simply newtons per cm square. And what does this mean? It means that for every unit area, the brick will exert a force of 0.75 newtons onto the ground. So taking a look at all the options over here, which one should we choose? We should choose option 1, which is 0.75 newtons per cm square. So the correct answer is option 1. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to check out more videos by us, do click the links on the right-hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!